Hi everyone! Hope you're having a good weekend. This is Lucy, my teaching assistant for today. I just want to talk to you about week 7 and what to expect. All right, so make sure you check out the description and the thought of the week, your reading assignments. We're going to keep it simple this week, two main things. The first thing is you're going to read a short story by Gabriel Garcia Marquez called The Most Handsome Drowned Man in the World. In the story, they use something called magical realism, which is a fiction term that has been very popular in South America throughout time. So we're getting a male voice this time, also a different part of the world, which should be interesting. I'm going to have you think about symbolism as you read the story this week in our discussion. All right, and then the second thing is you've done your outline, now it's time to turn in your rough draft. So try to give me at least 2 full pages, double-spaced 12-point font, and then I'll give you some feedback so that you can have my comments before you revise to turn in the final draft. All right, have a great week, everyone. Let me know if you have any questions.